Hello, welcome back again to another session of Autocad 3D practice. So today we are going to make this simple 3D drawing. This drawing we are going to draw it in two parts. First, we are going to make this top view as it is, and second, we are going to make this particular view in rectangle. Then we are going to multiply this view into three places. Okay, so let's start without wasting time. So first of all, I'm going to pick a line to take a point, any point, and I can draw it downward or upward with a unit of 68. Then after typing 68, I pick the same line to this time around at the center here. I take it right with unit of 36, and then as the same center, I take it left with a unit of 63. Then at that point, the same line too, I will take it up units of 24, and then I will join it with this line. Then at this point also, I will take it up units of 18. Then I will join it here. Then I will trim off the extra line here, and I have this. So the next thing I'm going to do, I will pick a circle tool. At the tip of this vertical line, I will draw a circle of radius 18. Then I press enter to repeat the circle tool. This time around radius of 8. Then at this point I will take fillet F, enter, and radius of 9. Then F, radius of 9. Then I will do this, repeat the fillet tool, and this. I will have this. I can now delete this line and this line and this line. They are no longer needed. So I can now trim off these parts, and I will have this. So next thing I'm going to do is to mirror this. So I will type MI, enter. I will select the whole geometry, and I will click the first point and the second point, and I will have this geometry mirrored. So at this point, and I have to turn into 3D. For turning to 3D, I will first of all click this home icon here, and I will click press pull, and I will pick at the middle of this object, press it up with a height of 9 units. So type 9, enter, and I will have this. So I'm going to change my visual to shaded. Then this is what I have. So now I'm going to draw the other components in the front view. So I will click here, front here. I will have this. So on this particular face, I will check these points. I'm going to choose view here. Every time you want to draw something, make sure you choose that view. So at that point, I'm going to pick a line to draw it downward, or either upward or downward. It's going to be a unit of 21. You enter. You make it leftward or rightward with a unit of 36. You enter. You repeat it upward with a unit of 21. Enter. And now we join the line here. And now I'm going to pick a circle to I'm going to pick a circle to this center. I'm going to make this circle, and at the same center I'm going to make another circle of radius 8. Enter. Now I'm going to trim off parts that is not required. So I want to trim and it's not responding, right? So what I'm going to do right now is to use break tool. So let's see if the break tool will work. So break tool, I will come to this point and check break, and then I will select the first second face, click on this first point, take my first point, and then break it here, and I can now delete this line off, and I have this. So I will now go to press it and come into the center in the middle of this, inside the drawing, and take uh, height of 9 and enter. And I'm going to rotate this to really see everything. So look at it here. So what I'm going to do next is for me to move this part of the drawing and I pick this point, this base point, and then I will drop it here. Then I can delete the 2D geometry off, and I'm going to copy this part. This time I'm going to pick this point as my base point to drop it here and enter. I'm going to copy it again. Remember, I said I'm going to multiply this into 3 parts. So I'm going to copy this again. For this time, I'm going to pick this point and drop it at this edge. If you don't turn on your object snap mode, please turn on so that you'll be able to capture those points. So at this point, I'm going to rotate this. How do I rotate this? So you come to this move, this move, and you say rotate this move. You select the object you want to rotate. You see the blue circle, that is revolving. At that center, you pick the point at that point. You make sure you match the point at this place, and you start rotating it. You click on the blue and rotate it like this. Make sure you turn on your auto mode. Yes, so when you turn on auto mode, you have that in a straight line, and you click enter, and this is the drawing we were required. So before we finish up, we have to join the whole geometry together to become one. So what we do, you select to join geometry in 3D, you select solid image and you select the whole geometry and enter. You can now move this geometry away so that you can delete any 2D geometry that was there. So I can select this 2D geometry now and delete them off. So at this point, I have what was required. You can revolve this to see that this is what was required to do. As simple as that. Yes, so this is it. And please, I want to use this medium to say that if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. We have a lot of practice. So before you finish the whole of this practice, believe me, you will be familiar with using Autocad 3D. I assure you, because each lesson carries its own lesson, its own what you have to learn from it. Each practice carries its own lesson. Like today now, you have seen how to rotate in 3D using Gizmo rotate. So every lesson every practice carries its own lesson. So as you keep working, you are picking one thing on the other. Okay, please, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.